All right, so what exactly is this multiple income funnel all about, and should you join this program or should you do something else entirely? Hey, it's Arie here, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video in particular, I want to give my full in-depth review for the multiple income funnel. I want to give my full in-depth thoughts on exactly whether what it's all about and whether or not you should decide to join this program if you're looking to do affiliate marketing, if you're looking to make passive income online. But before we get into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos about affiliate marketing, growing an online business, creating passive income online. So if you enjoy these kinds of videos, consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and this will be notified whenever there is a brand new video right on this channel. So as you can see, I've got tons of videos going over exactly how to do affiliate marketing or creating passive income online. So again, if you like these kinds of videos, consider subscribing, and this way you'll never miss out on anything brand new, right? Real quick, I just want to mention right off the bat, I know this is kind of unrelated, but I got my little Christmas hat on as I'm currently recording this. It's like December 24th. Although you might be watching this like days or months down the road, and you might be like, well, this is completely irrelevant, right? But I just thought I'd put that out there. But let's actually get right into the program right here, right? So before I actually go over, all the details of exactly what this is all about and what you're getting, I want to first and foremost show you some, kind of what's possible when you decide to leverage a program just like this, right? So inside of the Facebook group, you've got a bunch of members. Some of them are veterans, others are completely brand new. And you have a bunch of members in here sharing their exact results, right? So here's a member by the name of Paulo Berenguel. This guy woke up at 8:36 a.m. and made up to $480 in that morning. And this is just from 2 sales alone, right? So pretty cool stuff, right? As you can see, the list just goes on. Mac Mills, this guy is actually the face of the program. This guy right here is the guy who made all the sales videos. This guy is... this guy made up to $560 in the last 2 hours with one of the income streams. This is income stream number 4. We've got Jason. Okay, this guy has been, so he's obviously been doing this for quite some time. So I don't want to, say that, okay, you're going to make this epic, crazy amount, like, anything along those lines. Obviously, you're not going to do, this amount right away. But if you're doing this for quite a while and you're consistently putting in the work, perhaps you could get to this amount, some point down the road, right? No guarantees. I just want to, put that out there. But check this out. $500 in a single day. Mac Mills made up to $800. And as you can see, the list just goes on and on, right? Samry made her first sale, $20, which is pretty cool. And then of course Fraser McDonald. Check this out. Boom. Nice annual sale just came in while I was playing Crusader Kings 3 on my Mac. Can't beat that gaming money. Okay, so imagine this for a minute, right? If you're someone who plays video games, and by the way, if you play video games by any chance, let me know in the comments down below if you do. And if you do play video games, let me know what you're playing. I'd be kind of curious to hear what you're playing. But in my case, I'm currently playing through The Last of Us. Playing through The Last of Us again. And I also recently picked up The Last of Us Part 2 off of Amazon. This is actually still sealed, by the way. So I'm going to start playing through this a little bit later on. But if you play video games, imagine this for a minute. Or if there's anything that you enjoy doing, imagine you're just hanging out with family or playing video games or whatever it is that you like to do. And as you're doing that, you just get some sort of ding on your phone. You check your phone and check this out. You just made like $180 in a single day, or multiple sales. I'm kind of curious, what would that feel like if you could generate those types of commissions, while you're out doing your own thing, right? I mean, it's pretty cool to think about that, right? So this is really what makes me excited to share this with you. And yeah, I just want you to imagine what that would be like if you can get these types of commissions, right? So pretty cool stuff. So at this point, you see the results, you see exactly, that it's working for people. And now what I want to do is I want to explain exactly what it's all about, right? So multiple income funnel is a system that allows you to promote multiple different income streams, multiple different affiliate programs, and instead of promoting each of these programs individually, this allows you to promote them all with just one link, right? So in this program, you have a few different steps that you want to follow, and if you're someone who is completely brand new and you haven't really, if you're like non-technical, this is perfect for you if you want to, of course, get up and running and run with something that is of course working, right? So you have 4 different steps that you want to follow right here. Step number 1 is he's got like a simple 3-minute video that you want to watch. So this explains, gives an overview on what it's all about. Your first step here is you want to join the Facebook group. So you just click on the button right there. You could join the Facebook group, and then here you could ask pretty much any question that it is that you have. You could interact with the different members here. And that's what that's all about right there. Second step in here is you have your different income streams, right? So with this program in particular, and currently right now at the time that I'm filming this, there are 4 income streams that I want to go over. You might be watching this, months down the road, and maybe there might be more of them in here. But as of right now, there are 4 income streams that you of course get plugged into and earn passive income from, right? So the first income stream in here is called multiple income funnel, and the way that this program works, and I kind of want to draw this out here. So with multiple income funnel, when you join this, it costs about $49 a month to join. So this is $49 per month. And by the way, this right here is just a drop in the hat compared to the long-term potential. But when you refer someone to this program right here, and they sign up to, for the $49 a month membership, you will get about $20 per month, as long as they remain a customer, right? So for everyone that signs up, they sign up to the monthly membership, you get, $20 a month around that, as long as they stay signed up. Now, in addition to that, there is the option to, of course, upgrade to an annual membership, right after you, sign up. He gives you the option to upgrade to annual, which this is completely optional, by the way. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, you could upgrade for $350. This is for the annual membership. And the benefit here is when you sign up to the annual membership, not only does it help you save, some money in the long term, but it also qualifies you to get commissions at the annual membership as well. And my pen just screwed up here for a minute, but whenever you first someone and they sign up to the annual membership, you would get around $200 every single year as long as they remain a customer, right? So this is pretty exciting stuff right here. And for this reason, in my opinion, this is hands down no-brainer. But again, it's completely optional, right? So this is what income stream number 1 is pretty much all about. Now, income stream number 2 is a program by the name of Easy 1UP. And if you've been online for any amount of time, then you probably have heard of this program before. It's been around for many years. And something that I want to mention right off the bat is if you already have an account with Easy 1UP, I know that a lot of people had this question. You do not have to sign up to Easy 1UP again in order to run with the system, right? So when you go through the steps and you are first getting signed up and you're getting everything set up, it will have an option for you to, of course, enter your username right here. You do that, you click on save, and then you're pretty much good to go, right? So no further action from there is pretty much needed. You can just put that in, and then you're good to go. Otherwise, if you are not signed up to Easy 1UP, I highly recommend getting into this income stream right here, because with this program, they've got different products in here about, online marketing and how to, promote your business and that type of stuff. But here you've got products ranging from $25 all the way up to $2,000. And what's really nice about this program is this is one of the very few affiliate programs out there that will pay you instant commissions, right? So when you make a sale of, for example, $1,000, this is $1,000 that you're getting paid out pretty much instantly. You don't have to wait 30 days like, how you do with other affiliate programs out there. You're getting paid out instantly. It's 100% commission, which is really good. And this is what, makes this program very popular, right? So, and there's also no monthly fees, right? So once you own a product level, you own it for life. You don't have to keep paying for it or anything along those lines. You have access to it, for life, right? So you just get signed up. And, that's what that's all about right there. Income stream number 3 is a program called TextBot. This is like a SMS marketing system right here. I haven't signed up to this yet, but it is a pretty cool program, that allows you to do text message marketing. For every sale that you get of this, you can get up to $100. For every, sign up, which is pretty cool. Again, I don't want to go, too much into these because the videos pretty much explain, them, how they work entirely. And I don't want the students to, of course, get drawn out. But you've got Traffic Authority. This is the 4th income stream here. And if you want to, of course, sign up, you simply do that. You put in your username right there. You click on save, and then you're good to go, right? So with Traffic Authority, this is the traffic source that they recommend. You could buy, whatever package of clicks that you want, and that's pretty much how that works right there. Now, once you have your 4 income streams set up, then ideally what you want to do is you want to move on to step number 3, and this is where you will set up your e-wallet. Now, this is very important to do because, this is specifically important for steps for income stream number 1 and 4. They both use the e-wallet to, of course, pay out your commissions, right? So you want to go through here, fill out like a simple form, submit it, and then from there you should be good to go. And then step number 4, he gives you a tour of the back office, right? So in this, he explains exactly what it's all about, how to navigate the system, how to start promoting, where to get your links, and he shows you pretty much how to get up and running. So that's really what that goes over there. But there's a few more things that I want to go over here. So inside, at the top right here, when you go to links, this will give you your different promotion tools, right? So here you have 3 different lead capture pages, and very much like Profits Passport, if you're familiar with that system. That was a system kind of similar to this that was shortly closed by the creator. And so here you have 3 lead capture pages that you could use to, of course, drive traffic. You get people on this page, they enter their email, and then they get led to one of these video sales letters, right? So they watch the video, and this does all the explaining for you. And what's really nice about this is once you get leads into the program, you don't have to do any sort of email follow-up yourself if you don't want to, because the creator of the program, Mac, or the guy who's got all the videos on here, he's doing all the email follow-up for you, right? So if you don't want to learn email marketing right away, you don't have to do that, right? So you just leverage what's working. A few more resources that I want to show you. You've got some email swipes that you could use. So if you are growing an email list, you could simply copy and paste in these emails right here. Copy the subject in the email right here. You just plop your link right there, and you could send any of these emails out to your list, and these will help to, of course, get some high quality traffic, right? So you've got some web banners that you could use as well. So if you're building like a website, you're doing like some sort of ads, you could leverage any of these as well. You've got some social media images. So again, you could post any of these pictures on social media, which is pretty cool. You've got like a Facebook post you could share. And this is really great for you if you are completely brand new and you're kind of like, well, what exactly do I post? What do I, put out there to promote the system? You could leverage any of these resources that he gives you to, of course, get up and running and get into the, results, right? So this is pretty much everything that I want to go over regarding multiple income funnel. Now, if you decide to check out multiple income funnel through the link down below and you decide to join the second income stream, which is called Easy One Up, right? So the very first bonus that you're going to get from me when you decide to check this out is you're going to get access to the YouTube selling system. So this is going to show you how to use YouTube to get high quality traffic to any offer that is you're promoting. So if you want to promote the multiple income funnel with this, you could simply use this, source right here. And another thing that I want to address is like, if you don't have a budget to spend on advertising, this is perfect for you because this allows you to get very high quality traffic for free, and it's known to work very well, right? So YouTube is a very powerful traffic source. You could use that. You could use Facebook ads. This is a really great traffic source as well. This shows you how to use it without ever having to worry about getting banned. You've got the massive traffic formula. This is solo ads training. You've got the massive ManyChat profits. You've got the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. So another really great traffic source to leverage is, Facebook organic traffic, right? So you could learn to connect with people one-on-one. This is really not another great method here. You've got some email swipes, hypnotic storytelling, how to create a crystal clear vision for your future is really cool. So that's created by one of my friends on here. And then you also have access to the full Facebook community, right? So here you could just, interact with the different members here. You could ask any questions that you have. And that's what's really great, right? So if you are interested in leveraging this exact system that I'm using right now, and others are, leveraging as well to get these types of, results, then check out the link down below. Go through it. Go through all the steps. Follow every step that it lays out for you, and then from there you'll be well on your way to getting those long-term sales and long-term, right? So if you're fired up about this, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you got value from this video, give us a thumbs up if you got value here. Anyways. Take care. Look forward to seeing you on the inside.